So guys, hope you all are fine. You can see I am facing this problem in my local server, or you can say jam server. So this problem you may also face in the future or have faced this problem in the past. The solution to this problem is very simple. Only one code will be solve it. So let's see how we can solve this problem. At first you have to go where you install jam server in your drive. I install it my I drive. Open your jam folder, then go your phpMyAdmin folder and find config.inc.php and open it with your opener like Notepad++. I open it with Notepad++ and that code placed before end of database. I placed it and saved it. Then go your phpMyAdmin URL, your browser, and reload it. Here you go. If problem is solved. Thank you all.